Hey there, welcome to my channel. So if you've been around here, you've probably seen me with these twists that I wear a lot, and that I especially love to wear in this particular style that I'm doing here. And if you've been wondering how I put my hair in these twists, well, today's your lucky day because I'm going to show you. This is a tutorial on how to do this. So if you're interested, please stay, please watch, please like, please subscribe. Yeah, let's get into it. This is how my hair looks at the moment. I have parted it already, right? So I'm just going to show you up close what I'm doing. So let me undo this one so that I show you like from the beginning what I am doing. So I parted my hair right into like boxes, and then I'm just starting with braiding it like 3-strand braids to secure the root, because if I don't do that and I just start with the loose twists, it's gonna look funny and it's not gonna last, right? So the first thing is to secure the root, and now I'm separating into 2 strands and then twisting, right? And see how I'm twisting. It's very, very loose. I asked my friend to help me with this style this other time, and she struggled making the twists loose. So I get it's not as easy for others as it is for me. But just try your best to make sure you're not tightening the twist. So this is the second one. I had already done the first part, secured the root, and now I am twisting, and this is very, very, very loose. It's not tight at all. Okay, so now on to the third one. Just a repeat process. Yeah, and for the ends, you can try to make them a little bit tighter so that it doesn't unravel easily. Yes, and you want to do this style on hair that is stretched out, not hair that is wet, because if it's wet, you're not gonna get this look. I apologize for my exposure that is all over the place. Like, if you haven't noticed, that's great. But if you have, you've noticed that, the exposure of this video is all over the place. It's warm, then cool, then dim, then light, then I don't know, just a whole lot is going on. I still haven't mastered how to freeze the exposure. I don't know if that's how you say it when recording. Yeah. I'm about halfway through and this is how it looks already. Right, it's starting to take shape. I love it. I love it. This is like, I think this is my favorite hairstyle of all time. Like, I I love this hairstyle and I always have it time and time again, you know. Yeah. This is it. I'm done. We're just, yeah. For the icing on the cake, I'm just putting in beads because I feel like these beads make this style. Like, the style is not the same without the beads. It's not. Right? So I'm not going to bore you with the whole bead process. Let's just jump straight into the finished product. Okay, now I'm done. This is the final look. Check it out. Yep, I love it. So for styling, here's a few ideas. You can tie it at the top of your head like this and then just do a bun like that. Of course, you'd have to secure it with some bobby pins if your hair is as short as, okay, if your hair is like mine. let me put it that way. Also, something you can try is just putting a pin like this on the side, and also my favorite, which is this one. This one, you'll always find me like this if you see me on a regular day if I'm wearing this style. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.